In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can deposit an e-transfer. So open the email where the e-transfer was sent, alright? So here I'm just going to open the message, and in my case, because I've done deposits before, it's directing it to my RBC bank. But you can also select a different institution, right? So here I'm going to select different institution. Then once you scroll down and select a bank of your choice, it will then ask you to continue via the mobile app or web browser. So let's continue here. I'm going to open the Simplii app. Just gonna sign on. And then all I need to do is just select accept. Provide the answer to the security question. The sender would have set this, so you just need to provide it. And then you choose the account that you want to deposit it to. However, I do not want to make a deposit at this point in time. I just wanted to share with you how you could achieve this. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.